Okay, so this is the first day. This is the first day of studio renovation. Let me show you what we're about to do. This is gonna get disassembled, this whole thing, everything, all the cabling and everything, and it's gonna be moved most probably to that room. Once we clear that out, it's gonna be right over there. That's Ivana's office, but temporarily it's gonna be my office. So day one, exciting. Ivana kind of got started taking care of all these tidbits over here. And yeah, that's all getting torn down. So we're not gonna have it anymore, which kind of sucks, but oh well. The acoustic people said that it's better if we kind of build a wall over there to kind of make the room symmetrical lengthwise. So it's gonna work out for the better, I think. Plus it's gonna be gorgeous when we're done. It's gonna be great. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking care of the desk, uncabling everything, kind of semi-tearing down the desk so we can get it through the door. So let's get to it. I love this fix right here. It's my sustain pedal jack. So, the case may be that we can actually get the desk as it is through that door over there. It'll be sick. Let's see if we can pull it off. Just gotta get a couple of these cables unplugged and we should be good to try. Well, let me show you this mess in the back here. I've seen worse, but it's my kind of basic attempt at cable management. Over the course of the move, it kind of gave up. You see the LED strip died right there. Let's try and get this unplugged. So basically what we need to do is unplug the computer from the harness, going all the way over there to the computer, right here to the desk, and then over there to the drums. I don't think I'm gonna have enough room for the drum set in the new temporary room, but we'll see. Very important, this key. Okay, let me show you how it is in the back. Right, the rat's little nest over there, but it's pretty minimal. Okay. Okay, now I gotta pull this out over here and get these cables all free. Should be doable. Okay, kind of, sort of. Pull it off here. Boom. There we go. Okay. Okay. For free. Okay. And of course, you little. Oh, come on. So that's the harness that I was talking about. We're just gonna group everything together and try to roll the table out. If we can, that'd be nice. Might be able to fit through that door. What do you guys think? Okay, so our choo-choo train is all done. We got all the cabling unplugged and it can go wherever it wants. Now, let's see. Oh, we still got a little tail over here. Let's take care of that. Shut that one off. Boom. Okay, now we're unplugged. Come on, man. You're making me look bad. This UPS actually saved me more than once, so it should be nicer to it. Let's see if we can do this without fully and completely dismantling the desk. What do you guys think? Place your bets right about now. So this is 30 and a half. And we actually might get away with it. Probably gonna have to push this
ginormous monitor a little bit forward, just so it doesn't, yep, like that. Hope it's not gonna fall over. Yeah, it's probably gonna fall over. Yeah, it's kind of stable. Might have to unplug all of these. Yeah, what does it say over there? It just might go through. Let's see, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to unplug all of this stuff. All these jacks are protruding like outwards. Let's do that right away. Hopefully we'll be able to do it. I really don't want to dismantle the desk if I don't have to. I'm doing cables. It's bad enough. That should do it. Although this might actually be a problem as well. Time to give it a shot. Let's see how you can take the front seat right there. Okay. Nice. Okay. That's kind of it. We kind of messed it up here, but we'll fix that right up. This door is getting swapped anyway. Oh, we're almost there. Just gotta move the rest of these stands. We're pretty much all set to go. Just gotta cable everything and we're almost there. At least halfway there, I would say. So, that's how it looks in this kind of like little fancy nook. It's nice and cozy. Still gotta cable everything and get the subwoofer in there. As a temporary setup, I think we can't get any better than this, so super happy. Let me cable everything, fire it up, and show you how it looks like with all the lights. Temporarily, we're gonna have this big old snake slash harness kind of shortened. I don't think I need to like dismantle the whole thing. It's for only like a month or so. But yeah, the computer is gonna be right there. So maybe some noisy guitars, but hey, got a lot of noisy guitars. Okay. Just gotta get the woofer. So here, let me show you the signal flow. So this is my DigiDesign 002. We're getting out of there from here, going straight right into this subwoofer. This is a Yamaha HS8S. And then into, if I can only find the cables, we're going into the monitors. It's going right there. There's plenty of slack, but not too much. Okay, I think we're almost there. C-board is still connected. This is for the axe effects right here. Very important. Whoa. This whole bunch of stuff, yeah, it's gonna have to kind of stay as it is. Those were for my electronic drum set, which I'm not gonna use now. So. This is monitor 1. It's got power. Just hide this rat's nest in the back of it, like so. Again, it's only temporary. Oh yeah, this is for the woofer. Woofer power. Okay, just got one more monitor.
which is this one over here, which I'm not sure where the power is for it. Let's say it's buried in here somewhere. Let me see. Got it. That's the beauty of having harnesses. Everything is kind of pre-wired. Just gotta plug it in. Boop. Boop. Should be it. Just double check everything. Just love that a little bit over there. We're just gonna pretend that's not even there. Here's the moment of truth. Let's see what's gonna happen. 3, 2, 1. Fingers crossed. Okay. Get this kind of in the right position, like so. Kind of, sort of. Doesn't really have to be all that precise for now. Power on the computer. I think we're good, actually. Okay, that beep, I like that. Boom! There we go. Isn't that funny? Because it's like so huge. This logo does not. It should not look like that. So I think as for the guitars, because there's way too many of them, I think we're gonna have to kind of put them all here, at least for the ones that I use regularly. We're just gonna kind of put the other ones over in the closet space because I don't use them all that often. So they're gonna be nice and cozy over there. So yeah. By the way, if anybody knows of any better solution than this stupid rig, please let me know. This stand is just terrible, and it's like the standard one that kind of everybody uses, and I just want to know what you guys' thoughts are on those, because I don't like it whatsoever. So comment down below, let me know which stands you use. So I would say that's mission accomplished. I'm just gonna set it up a little bit more nicely, hopefully fix this. I'm not super proud of that, see this whole thing, but it's not too bad. We're kind of gonna swap the desk as well, but it's gonna do for a little bit. I think we're good. I still need to listen to it. Let me kind of play something, see how it sounds in here. It should sound pretty decent, I think, although we are in a bit of a corner. Just gotta plug in the Wi-Fi. Boop. So much stuff. What should we play? Should we play some Dream Theater? Let's play The Glass Prison. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds actually better than that room. It's a little boxy, but it's not too bad. I think I'm gonna get used to it relatively quickly. There's plenty of bass. It's pretty good, pretty good. Well, it's gonna be it for this one. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and hey, what can I say? Let's see where this beautiful journey takes us. I'm super looking forward to the next portion where we build the frames and actually install the doors. And then comes the beautiful icing on the cake where we actually put all the acoustic products in place. It's gonna be awesome. I'm super looking forward to that. So subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.